Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer the photos from your Kodak Pixpro FZ55 to your iPhone in 2026. Now, the easiest way for you to do it is by using the USB cable directly. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to connect your Kodak Pixpro FZ55 camera to your iPhone using a Lightning to USB camera adapter or USB-C adapter for the newer iPhones. Then you need to turn the camera on and open the Photos applications on your iPhone. Now your photos should appear inside the import section automatically. So you can also use the SD card reader. So this is usually the fastest and the most reliable transfer method. So from your camera, you just have to simply remove the SD card, and after that you just have to basically insert it into the Lightning SD card reader or USB-C SD card reader. Then simply open the Photos application on your iPhone and import all those pictures directly from the memory card. Now, many photographers actually prefer this particular method because it is faster and it is more stable than using the camera cable itself. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.